Hi, this is the first of 3 videos that will help you as you do this inquiry task on sea level rise and the impact that it can have on cities and how we can hopefully deal with this in the future. We're going to start this first video by looking at Antarctica and where most of the ice will melt that will cause this increase in sea level. So when you click on the link, on the document that has been sent to you, which is right here. All right, this map will be opened. And you'll see right now it's showing lines of latitude and longitude. At the top here, I want you to click on Modify Map, and now it'll say New Map. You don't have to save it unless you want to, and if you do, come and see me and I'll show you how to get a username. The next thing you need to do is number 4. You need to click on Contents. And now you'll see these are different layers, and each layer you can turn on and off. So if there's a check mark, it means the layer's on. Okay. So I'll give you an example. I will click latitude, longitude off, and now the lines are gone. Click it again, they reappear. So each projection or each layer shows us a different view of the world. So we're going to click on continents, and in a second, and then if you click the little arrow here, show legend, and you'll notice the continents have now been color coordinated. All right, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australasia. So we're going to click this little guy over here, the show legend button, and now we know here's our key. All right. And I want you to zoom down, all right, till you find Antarctica. And you'll notice Antarctica takes up a large amount of space. Okay. But this is where most of the ice will melt that will cause the increase in sea level rises. Now there are questions that you need to answer. And so as you go through this, you need to make sure you answer the questions on the document I've given you. Number 7, though, is asking, click on the checkbox in front of projections. So we'll do that. And I want you to then press the home button here. And you'll notice, okay, the projections have brought up different pins. Now, these are projections of the world. And what happens is, and we'll go through this in class in more detail, okay, but depending on what projection you use, the shape and the size of each country will look very different. Okay? So it depends on how you want to show the world. And all it's asking you to do is to click on each projection, each pin, and it shows you and it gives you the name of the projection and then what it would look like. Okay, so that's one projection. Here's another projection. Okay, so you'll notice there are some very, very different projections. And each one, the shape and the size of the countries and continents varies. Okay. I'll let you go explore all those in detail. Okay. But you just click on them to find the different projections. Then I want you to pan down, back down to Antarctica. And you'll notice there's a big green circle here. I'm going to click on it. So now this is an image of the Earth looking directly down at the South Pole, Antarctica. I want you to click, all right, you notice there's bottom South America, there's New Zealand, Africa, and Australia. All right, so we're, other than the bottom of South America, we are the closest country to Antarctica. What I want you to do is click on Antarctica. So click on this image. And a new map should appear. And the title of that map should be Module 7, Lesson 1B. Okay, and it should have some flags on it looking at Antarctica. Then what I want you to do is I want you to close the previous map you did. So this one, close it. And all you're going to do now is work on this map.